Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix wherein you can type on your Windows search bar. So you cannot type here, but whenever you are going to open a browser, and then type here in the search bar, you can type here. So that means that the keyboard is working and there is no problem with the keyboard, but you cannot type in the Windows search bar. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Right click at the start button. Again, it's right click, not left click. Then you have to look for File Explorer. Click on that. In the list of options on the left pane, click on this PC. Then click on the Windows C drive. Then simply look for, in the list of folders right here, look for the Windows folder, this one. Double click. Then you need to look for the System32 folder. So let's scroll down. And then you find System32, double click. Then here in the search bar, type CTFMon. Now you will find this option, the first option, CTFMon C colon Windows System 32. Make a right click and then select. Again, right click, select Show More Options. Then click on Send To. Click on Desktop Create Shortcut. Now once done, close this window. Then you have to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Again, it's Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Type here shell colon common space start app. So just do the same thing as what I am doing. You can also pause the video. So you have here shell colon common space start app and click on OK. Now let's minimize this folder. Let's adjust this. Then once you will find the CTFMon on your desktop, so you have created a shortcut, drag it here. Now I have already created this or drag this here in the destination because I have just fixed the issue on my Windows. Now I'm going to click on replace the file in the destination and click on continue. So that's it. Once this is done, just simply close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So by that, you have just fixed wherein you cannot type in the Windows search bar of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.